Today I'm going to show you how to carve our shoulder of lamb with a cranberry and pistachio stuffing. In the box you'll find a handy card which has got some chef tips on how to cook and carve your product. Make sure your shoulder of lamb is fully defrosted. Give it 48 hours in the fridge before you want to cook it. When you're ready to cook, allow it to come to room temperature for an hour and a half. Turn your oven on to 170 degrees centigrade for a fan oven. Place your lamb on the silicone sheet provided, cover with foil and pop it in the oven for 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, take the foil off and turn the oven up to 200 degrees centigrade and continue to cook for 25 minutes. Take the lamb out of the oven, cover it in foil and let it rest for 15 minutes. While the meat's resting, pierce the film on the sauce and pop it in the microwave. Make sure your carving knife is nice and sharp. Check out our knife sharpening video on YouTube. Once the lamb is rested, remove the butcher's string. Carve your lamb in 1 centimetre thick slices using long, smooth strokes of the knife.